What's up, guys? This is Higgins from Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and today we're taking a look at ANYCUBIC's PLA in white. Um, this one comes in a plastic bag. There's no, is there a zipper on it? I don't think that there's a zipper on it, so we're going to take the knife to it to get it open. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. This white is good color of, or hue of white. But as you all know, over here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours just in case there's any moisture in it. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. And I will see you soon for the benchy test. Anyway, the benchy, we got this printed or sliced or put into Bamboo Studios. We're going to go ahead and do the generic PLA settings. Get that sliced up, and for whatever reason, it's taking a little bit longer than what it usually would. So this one will be just under an hour. So we're going to get that printed up, and everything will be good to go. So here it is. We got all the tests finished up, and we're going to take a look at all of them in time. So one of the things that this one has, we have the benchy here. Generally speaking, pretty good. No real major issues there. Maybe a little bit on the texture side. I know the white balance is terrible, and there's some issues with some of the top portion with some of the corners and stringing. We're going to get those worked out as time goes on. But overall, say all right for the generic settings. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. And this one, the dimensional cube, 40 by 40 by 40, this particular one worked out well. No real major any issues there. Temperature tower, we did a temperature tower test for this, and for the temperature, the best one looks like to be 215 Celsius. No globbing, no stringing, very little stringing on that. But yeah, overall I'd say pretty good. Some of the other ones you do see some globbing, but nothing that we can't go ahead and get rectified. Next up, we had the retraction test, and the retraction test did have quite a bit of issues with stringing there. So we're going to get those worked out in the final benchy print. Next up, we did the max volumetric speed test, and this one didn't turn out so good. Usually I would go to about 30 for PLA, but in this particular case, we ended up seeing a little bit less. So just on the safe side, I took that down to the max volumetric of 25 millimeters cubed. So that way we can get better detail on that without those breaking, anything like that. Next up, we have the overhang test, and this one failed. The overhang test failed, looks like closer to about 60, so that's something to be on the lookout for if you go with this particular brand of filament. So we got the settings dialed in and have printed a new benchy. Looks pretty good, no real major issues there as far as I can tell. Still a little bit on the texture side, but nothing that a little bit more work can be done. So, at the time of filming, I bought this in a 2-pack, so spoiler for the next episode, but it works out to be about $13.50 per kilogram for filament. Relatively cheap for a filament. If there's something you're looking for, there's the price. As for my overall thoughts for ANYCUBIC's white PLA is basically a lot of pretty much anything in their basic PLA line. I've had issues with filament splitting even after, getting it brand new, breaking apart, especially in the AMS. I actually had to take apart my AMS. So maybe not necessarily for somebody that's looking to start out with 3D printing. The price is okay at price is pretty good at $13.50, but you might want to look at PLA Plus. I've had good results with one of theirs that we can talk about a little bit in a future episode. But overall, I do have some concerns about ANYCUBIC's PLA. This white ended up being well. It's something that if you're looking forward to. Anyway, so As you know, I'm trying to try out every filament that I can in every color. This has been the ANYCUBIC PLA in white. And I'd appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, all the nice YouTube things. Be kind to each other. And this is Higgins from Legal Animation, so I hope to see you here next time.